Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by joining the call and sharing the exact window or full desktop you need to control. Once shared, look for the small control bar at the top of your screen. Click Request Control to send a prompt to the presenter. You do this because it lets the presenter approve or deny access explicitly, preserving security. If you need to, explain in chat why you need control before requesting so the presenter is ready to grant access. Once the presenter accepts, control transfers to you immediately and you can interact with their shared content. Remember, this is temporary and revocable. Use the toolbar to move, type, or demonstrate actions. Make deliberate, minimal changes so the presenter retains context. If you need full focus, tell the presenter you will release control when done so they know you won't hold it indefinitely. Make sure to hand control back promptly to avoid confusion and respect ownership of their device. To finish, either release control from the toolbar or have the presenter stop sharing. This returns full control to the original user and ends remote input. If the request fails, confirm both parties use the Teams desktop app. Remote control is limited on web or mobile, and check OS privacy settings for screen recording and input. If problems persist, restart Teams or rejoin the meeting. Reconnection often clears permission or network glitches, so you can retry the request successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.